Hi, I'm Scott Campbell. Welcome to my window painting tutorials.
Lesson 67, Painting Magic. Hey everybody, how's it going? Tonight's video is going to be really quick. I'm just going to show you how to paint some of this magic, or I also call it pixie dust, or stars, or I guess they're not really snowflakes, but they're like maybe icicle stars or star flakes or whatever you want to call them. But anyway, I start with the 2-inch foam roller. And you can take a look at it. There's a lot of angles on this thing that you can use to get the effects you want. But you start by filling it up with paint, because it's basically a big sponge. It's a hard sponge. And so fill it up and then make sure you get all the paint off the edges, because it'll go flying around and stuff. So I've slowed down here a little. I usually go a little bit faster than this, but I try to do it twice initially. And then I go in with the brush already go, and I kind of like go up and down, make an up and down motion before I do it, and then I visualize doing it, and then boom, I just hit it. Same with the side. Make like an X and then a diagonal and a diagonal. And you have to practice, but when you do it that way and you do it quick, it gives it more flair instead of going like really slow, you know, like going long and stuff. But here I do it again. And when I do it, I usually do it a little bit faster, because I'm just knocking those out, and I've done so many thousands of them that, you know. But I thought I would do a few here just to show you. And you can use the Utrecht brush too if you want, you know, if it's easier for you to go slower with a flat or something. But these are really great. Here I'm just doing it right on end. You just kind of use the sponge like on the end, and you can do smaller ones that way. And again, I've kind of slowed down so you can kind of see what I'm up to. And then this one I just went one time instead of two, instead of doing like 2 double lines. And then now sometimes I do this and I visualize where I'm going, you know, and I get a swaying motion. And then now I'm taking on the corner and doing the little dots and the little, like the little pixie dust, the magic stuff. But this is great for, you can use it for Halloween, like, you know, I used it for the witch's broom, like coming off the witch's broom. And you can use it for Christmas definitely, because it looks like icicles or snowy. It makes it frosty looking. So I use it a lot. It's great filler. You can fill up stuff really quick. So practice it and try and see if you can master it. Well, I'm going to head home. It's really rainy now. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.